Anything y'all want to check out your new outfit? Anything?
Yeah, I got a new outfit.
I always be weird.
Okay.
Okay, what's up?
And my stomach hurt.
Oh, Snizzy. Got them mom's stomach. Got flax
I
stomach.
think it's from the Pop Tart and cereal earlier.
Nobody told you eat a Pop-Tart. It was supposed to be cereal. See? There you go.
Mom said we could.
I didn't say that. What I tell you about that last time when you was getting, what was you making, toaster strudels and cereal? Yeah, same thing. You know you wrong. That's why your stomach hurt. Hopefully the bathroom open will come when we go back. Stains, anything you want to say to the YouTube? Anything you want to say, Stains?
Yeah.
All right, what's up with you? Ready for your walk?
No, my toes hurt.
Where your toes? Your shoes are on the wrong foot. That's probably where we could start. Let's sit at the bench and get you on the right feet. No one noticed that. The bench is there. So, what's up with you? How you feeling, dog?
And,
You sure?
and there's only one problem.
What's your problem?
My feet hurts
Where your feet hurt at?
because I put those shoes on.
Oh, well, you probably got to break them in a little bit. Because you could definitely fit them. So, anything else you want to say to the YouTube?
No.
All right. So, don't forget you're going to watch this later on, man. All right, I guess you good. Everybody good? Let's get your shoes on the right foot. Can we switch that, Shia, please? Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Take the other shoe off.
Yeah, you only took it off and put it right back on the same foot. Jason, you want to start your walk now? And we catch up? And you lead the way?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. All right, you got something right here. All right, go ahead, lead the way, man. Don't worry about it.
Running.
I'm going to run eventually. So I ain't trying to hear all that. Yeah, lazy.
My stomach hurts.
I told we're going to try to hit the bathroom on the way back. I got some tissue. Be all right. Christine, sit down so you don't put your feet on that ground. Stop. Wipe her feet. Lift your feet off. Listen, get on the thing. Stop putting your feet on this ground, man. Slide, listen, slide sideways. Slide sideways, yo. Slide sideways. Move. Don't put her. Stop. Gotta get shoes tied. Because somebody's still putting their shoes on the wrong feet. Put those by the strings. Yeah. No, the light. Yeah, that. Put the other end. Both ends. That should pull it right there. Ooh, I'm sweating so bad. Ooh, I know one thing. The sweat bag working. That's for sure. So let's flick it to me. Oh shit, can we flick it to me? I thought I could. Oh, all right. Hold on. Oh, that's the can. Oh, I'm tripping. I thought I could take the. Come on, what y'all doing? Y'all ready? Y'all tired already?
Yeah.
Good. We ain't been out in a minute. We expect to be tired. Yeah, pull them pants up. Listen, them tights is look. Yeah. Yeah, got him. A little tired now. Look, stains. Fats, we coming. I know, no, we doing what we doing. You want to come out here, sit down, and read a book?
Yeah.
Why you ain't bring no book, so sorry. See what I gotta go through? This is what I gotta deal with, man. But I ain't having that, you know. Y'all know how I'm going. I ain't playing. It's gonna be workout, get yourself right. You'll thank me later. You know? Thank me later, man. Alright? No, this is our gym. The wilderness. That's our gym. Look at this beautiful. Come on, man. It's like, yeah. This is like great. What do you mean? Why would we want to be in the gym? We ain't going to no gym till it get cold. Oh, you want to be like Sting or like Flax, huh? Hey, Fats! Look at my man, Boney. Boy, you good? I was saying where you was at. One of them joints like mom. Sorry about that. You know what I'm saying? They ain't have it for you.
Wait, what thing?
Shoes. One of the New Balance.
I like these ones.
You can get those too if you start doing what you're supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Yeah, Stings, lead the way, Stings. Stings leading the way, man. And we know who in the back. The one with the biggest plate. Always in the back. You know, but sweat bag, Sting. Got me sweating already. Sheesh. Flax, I think I'm gonna give this to you and I'm gonna take a smaller one, I ain't sure. Feel too baggy. I don't think I need all this space. But I don't know if the length might be off, I don't know. Let's get it. Yeah, Stings out on y'all. Y'all weak. Jason, you better go catch up with her. Don't let her walk by herself. Yeah, got him back out here. It's the first day, so you know it's a rough day. But we back at it. And that's what we doing for the rest of the summer till it get cold. Yeah, just like last summer. Same scene. Same 1, 2. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Beautiful day. Yeah, Stings. Smoking y'all. They can't catch up. They too tired. Every time they catch up, Stings run off. Yeah. Yeah. Get them legs. Get them legs. What's up with you? Hey. What's up with you? Okay. Maybe you need your music like mom's. Look at these little silver buttons. Trying to put some fake coins on the ground. See it stir the road and make you concentrate. Anything you want to say to the Shia that's looking at this? Because the other Shia that's watching this, she gonna be cool in the house, chilling on her tablet, on her phone, and she gonna be watching this. She gonna be laughing at you. So what you got to say to her while she in the house? Cool, chilling.
I don't know.
You don't know what to say to her? She laughing at you right now. I'm sure
You're gonna be eating McDonald's by the time you get in the house?
Not today. Maybe another day when you watching this, you might have some McDonald's. But we ain't getting no McDonald's today. This is a workout day. We eating healthy.
Workout day.
Yeah, we eating healthy. Actually, this is workout week. I'm sorry.
So we get Saturday.
I don't know when we gonna get any type of anything.
Feet close to the
Sting smoking everybody. Yeah, Stings. Good job. Look at these two. Yeah, Stings. Every time they try to catch up, Stings run off on them. Yeah, she's still in the back. So what you got to say to the Shia that's watching this and she chilling? You said what? What you want to say to her?
I don't know.
Honestly?
No.
What, she gonna be chilling, she gonna be laughing at you. Do you want to tell her that this is really hard, harder than it looks?
Yes.
Okay.
And that
What else?
next time we go out,
Uh-huh.
we do half of the neutral walk.
Are you telling her that?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna tell her, hey, Shia that's watching this, we're not doing half the nature walk, so. All right, go ahead. Anything else you want to tell her? Stay, lead the way. Don't let them catch you. Yeah. Smoked you. You here. She's there. He's there. Y'all better catch up. Yeah, man. So,
she's making a show off.
yeah, she doing her. Leading the way. Y'all back here. We out of here. I'm out of here on that.
Camera's still on me. Oh, good.
Yeah, it's on you and me. It's on us. So, it's me and Stings right now, as you can see. Slowpokes is in the back. Doing what slowpokes do. Being slow. Look at Stings. We out of here.